Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Bluey's Cricket. Let me tell you about the time we tried to get Rusty out. It was some kid's birthday. I don't remember who, and we were playing cricket. Dad, can we play Tiggy instead? What? Cricket's more fun than Tiggy, but cricket's just about hitting a ball around the grass. Cricket's about more than that, kid. Tell you what, we'll get Rusty out and then play Tiggy. You'll never get Rusty out. I think I can handle it. See? What we didn't know was that Rusty played cricket all day with his brother and sister, and then when they weren't around, he'd play by himself. Rusty really loved cricket. Look, he likes the square cut. Stripe, you and me will move to goalie and point. Bandit, you send one to his off stump. Lure him into the catch. But we didn't know about Rusty's kitchen window. Bang! Uh-oh, run! That was good motivation to work on his square cut. Whack, whack. I had no chance. Whack. It was time to mix up the attack. Gimme that. I've had enough of your pies. And a bit of spin, okay, Rusty? All good, Mr. Healer. Now, Stripe couldn't spin to save himself, but if he could land it on the crack, Rusty wouldn't have a chance. What we didn't know was that when Rusty's dad was away, Rusty would get a lift home after school with his mate Jack, and this was Jack's front yard. Rusty played at Jack's a lot that year, so he got pretty good at playing on a rough wicket. Rusty could handle Stripe's fruit any day. How did he hit that? Now every batsman has a weak spot. Okay, if I have a go, Rusty? And Rusty's was pace. Sometimes he would play with his older brother's mates. One of them, a kid called Tiny, could bowl really fast. Rusty was never brave enough to bat. Until one day he was. Rusty, you can bat if you want, but no one is going to go easy on you. They didn't play with a tennis ball either. They used a proper cricket ball. Are they hard? Rusty didn't want to give them up, but he was so scared of Tiny. One day, a letter came. It was from Rusty's dad. Ann Digger, you thought Christmas up north was hot? You should try it over here. It is boiling. I'll see you all soon. Miss you heaps, Dad. There was a special P.S. just for Rusty. This Tiny sounds like he's got some pace on him. I wish I could be there to bowl a few at you, but I can't right now, mate. But look, as you grow up, you'll face harder things than cricket ball, and you'll have two choices. Back away and get out, or step in front and play a pull shot. Just keep your eye on the ball and take care of your little sister for me. Love, Dad. Lucky's dad had no chance. Whack! Now hang on. Rusty, one more? Rusty would have played 50 more. Okay. He just loved cricket. Come on, Pat. This one's for dignity. Lucky's dad put everything he had into that ball, and Rusty could have smashed it into next week if he wanted to. But instead, he hit his little sister a catch. I caught it. I got you out. I know, I can't believe it. What a catch. Bluey. That's what cricket's about. The end. Thank you for reading with us, Play and Discover kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother, mom, dad, the high camp, you play in the